Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use puts on Robinhood. First, we will define what a put option represents and why investors use them. Then, we will cover essential terms like strike price and expiration date, which are crucial for understanding options contracts. Finally, I will guide you through the initial steps to activate options trading within your Robinhood account, ensuring you are ready to proceed. A put option grants the holder the right, but not the obligation, to sell 100 shares of an underlying stock at a specified strike price before or on the expiration date. Investors typically buy puts when they anticipate a decrease in the stock's price, aiming to profit from that downward movement. Conversely, selling puts can generate income, but carries more risk if the stock price drops significantly. To trade a put on Robinhood, first search for the stock you are interested in and go to its detail page. From there, tap Trade Options, and then select Buy to open put. You will then be presented with various strike prices and expiration dates. Carefully choose the strike price you believe the stock will fall below and an expiration date that aligns with your market outlook. While put options offer potential for profit, they also involve substantial risk, including the possibility of losing your entire investment if the stock price does not move as anticipated. It is wise to consider using puts as a hedging strategy to protect existing stock holdings rather than purely for speculation. Always understand the potential downside before entering any options trade. For other great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.